morning, all. I am very happy to sit here in front of you. As I told, it's my 5 years effort with my team. Uh, when coming to off-road mud race, it's a very newly threat to the Indian film industry. So it was very challenging in all three stages: pre-production, production, and post-production stages. When come to pre-production stages, I have to find the uh, apt artist, proper locations, then other things. So when I come to the artist, they should know about the mud race. It's a adventurous competition. Lot of risk is there. So what I did after after finding them, I have given 2 years training to them to do the real mud race. So I have taken them to different mud race areas. I have given the training with the proper trainer. So it helped me a lot to them also to give a proper performance in the movie. First of all, I want to do movie in a realistic way without any dupe. That was my first aim. That is why I have given this much time for them to get the training. Second part is locations. Hardly I have taken more than 1 year to find the exclusive locations, forests, rock areas, because as when come to the mud race, the locations very important. So that also I got unrevealed adventurous locations. When it's come to the production, lot of accidents, lot of challenges, but our team with me, they stood with me very strong. I have completed the production. Even though lot of accidents, by God grace, everything went smooth. So I have used different modified vehicles for getting the real ambience for the mud race. Another one thing, the real mud races, national level mud races I have used in this film for getting the better performance and ambience. Even though the three different types of mud races are there, it's the movie with a strong story is there. It's everything about family, revenge, action, love, comedy, everything I have mixed. With a strong story, I have mixed with three different types of mud races. Normally in India and abroad, most of the mud races in a single pattern. But I have done research, then I incorporated three different pattern of mud races. So when it's come to the post-production, the music, editing, cinematography, and the production says cinematography, post-production, music and editing is huge role because everything sound matters, everything is coming to the RR, effect, sound design. So finally I reached the Ravi Basur, the KGF fame Ravi Basur. He spent, I think, more than near to 2 years with me for the discussions, for the concept development, for the RR effects, everything. So editor, it's around 33, I think 33 hours footage. I have used 13, 14 different cameras during the production. So my editor has spent good time with me. He has chosen best of best shots with the film in the from the footage. So it's also given a good result. Another one, the cinematography. Even the during the production is one leg also broken because the adventurous things. He was running behind the vehicles, hill areas. So he also done a very good job. My team, entire team did very good job. They stood very strong with me. Lot of challenges, everything we overcome. Now we are standing in front of you people. Just you have seen the motion poster and teaser. This is my first attempt in the film industry, film career. I need your kind support as well. Thank you all. If you have any questions, you can ask to me. Yeah, definitely. When I was doing the research about the movie and all, concept and all, so many people attempted the movie, mud race movies, near to 20 people, as I know. But they didn't complete the movie. Some pre-production stages they stopped, production stages they stopped, as I know. So I thought it's a challenging job. So when I am starting with the film industry, I want to start with one unique and adventurous concept. That is why I started with this concept. Yeah, 5 years is a lot of time, but I have to get the artists. They should do the real mud race. I don't want to use the dupes in the movie. So the locations hardly I have taken more than 1 year. The modified vehicles I have used. I have to arrange the modified vehicles. I have done the modifications as per the spec. Then locations I have taken more than a year. So everything is taken 5 years. Even the post production also, the sound effect, editing. Editing also hardly take more time because 33 hours footage was there. So everything made 5 years.
Mr. Prabhakar, this side. Prabhakar,
Yeah.
what was the inspiration to make this film? What inspired you most to make this film, this kind of film?
Yeah, I always like some little adventurous things. I am passionate about the vehicle and race and all. So I came to know a few people are attempted but they have failed. So I want to do the one attempt. I want to make it success. That is why with passion I have done this movie. So this is my first movie. I want to do something unique concept also. That is why I chosen this concept. This means, first of all, mentally I have to give the motivation to them because it's an adventurous thing. When come to the off-road mud race means it's a competition of some rough type people. They want to success, the ego will work there. They want to success at any cost. Like that type attitude people are doing the normal mud race. So mentally I have to make them very bold. Then I have given the technical training about the mud race. So they have picked within 2 years. They have done well job. As
Visuals are breathtaking. Where do you shoot?
pardon?
Visuals are breathtaking. Huh? Where did you shoot the film?
Yeah, before 1 year it's already over. Shooting over before 1.5 year.
Where's the location?
Location Tamil Nadu, Kerala border one hill area is there. I need the story is going in the hill areas. So I have chosen that area.
Did you met anybody like kind of this race people for doing this movie? To know the knowledge about what to do, how to make this film racy. Did you met any guys? Racers, racers.
Yes. That is why pre-production taken more time. I went to meet different kind of mud racers. I spent time with them. I understood them. I traveled all over India to see the mud racers. So I spent a lot of time with them. It helped me a lot to develop the character of these movie characters. So I spent better time with them.
The particular reason choosing for this pan-India movie?
Yeah, it's a universal movie because it's coming with the race. Because in India there is no mud race movie, so I thought all audience should enjoy about this ambience. See, muddy means it's an English title's name. Its meaning Telugu I don't know. That's Sagadi. Tamil it's still Sagadi. So it's a common word for all over India. That is why. Yes. Devil means I told as a strong people, strong, rough people. They are having the revenge. As of now, 5 languages: Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, and Hindi. Yeah. All shots are real. All shots are real. That is why I spend this much time. CG means is a very normal things, not about the shots. It's a part of movie normal things only I done the CG. All shots are real shots. Yeah, this was the main challenge when the pre-production stage. How to make it easily understandable to the normal audience. But that is why I developed 3 different types of concept. Even the small children to the all age groups can easily understand. They can enjoy. Like that, the pattern I have developed in the mud race. By seeing the visual only, they can understand. Easily, they can understand.
Initial budget of the movie and total budget of the movie.
About the budget means I have to check with my production team because whatever I have asked, they have given to me. They have supported me. Even when I am asking about, I need one unique Jeep for villain. Unique Jeep, that's very costly Jeep, modified Jeep. In India, also only one piece. They are given to me for doing the mud race. Because there is, for important means, I want the maximum performance. So all Jeeps I have to replace, production team has to replace. Like that they have performed as their real mud races. Near to 13, 14 Jeeps I have modified for the film. Three different competitions are there. For three different competitions, I have modified total 13 to 14 Jeeps. Because most of the Jeeps now again modified and using for mud races and all. But I can do that. Not with 14, maybe few are there in the same condition, I think so.
Any particular reason for choosing Jeep only? You can choose the cars also, no?
No, off-road mud race means it's about Jeep. It's a specific spec is there because it's doing the race in mud, rock, forest. So we can't use the car. We have to use the specified spec modified Jeeps. Pardon? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, because of content. When I approach them, they are very impressed about the content. They told they will support me. That is why they have launched the teaser and motion poster also.
Hello, sir. How did you select and prepare